Substituting into a formula. The next step after writing, correctly, a formula is to substitute the known variables in it. In this way, we open the path to the calculation of the unknown quantity. For example, in the previous exercise we can substitute h equals 20 and calculate how much money Matt will have in total, after 20 hours of work. Thus, since the general rule applied in this situation corresponds to the formula we wrote at the end of the solved example, we have the following shown on screen. Where h represents the amount of money Matt will have after working for h hours, substituting h equals 20 yields. We have the following shown on screen. Example 1. The first 5 numbers, terms, in a sequence are 8, 11, 14, 17, and 20. A. Write down a formula that allows us to find the nth term of the sequence in terms of the first term without having need to work them out one by one. B. Use this formula to find the 23th term of the given sequence. Solution 1. A. From the first terms of the sequence it is obvious that they increase by 3, which means the difference between the successive and the previous term is always 3. Therefore, if we denote a whatever term of this sequence by n, then the previous term is the n-1 minus th term. Given that the difference is d equals 3, we can write the following as shown on screen. Or we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. And so on, we obtain for the nth term in terms of the first one, we have the following shown on screen. This is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, for which we will discuss more extensively in Chapter 12. Substituting a1 is equal to 8 and d equals 3 yields for this specific case, we have the following shown on screen. B. Given the previous formula, we obtain for the 23th term of this sequence, n equals 23, we have the following shown on screen. From the previous example, it is easy to identify the steps one has to follow when dealing with formulas. Step 1. Identify the variables that are present in the situation under consideration. Step 2. Assign a different letter to every variable including the one you are going to calculate. Step 3. Write down the correct formula by including all variables identified in the first step. Step 4. Substitute the other variables with numbers and calculate the value of the variable you are interested in by using the PEMDAS rule. Example 2. The formula of position x, in respect to the time elapsed t for an object moving in a uniformly accelerated motion way is shown in the following on screen. A. Calculate the initial position of the object. B. Calculate the position of the object after 20 seconds of motion. Solution 2. A. The initial position is obtained for t equals 0. Thus, we have the following as shown on screen. This means the object was initially 5 meters ahead of the origin. B. The position after 20 seconds is calculated by taking t equals 20. Thus we have the following shown on screen. Hence, after 20 seconds of motion the object will be 865 meters ahead of the origin. That is all for lesson 8.1.4. To continue this tutorial please watch 8.1.5, substituting in formulas derived from wordy problems. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.